guys got one of these electric scooters, you're tired of standing, you're gonna wanna check this out. This is a universal seat that works on these scooters. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install it. Everything out of our box right now, and inside of our storage bag, we will find our seat and our hardware. And I love the fact that they give you a nice storage bag, because when we're on these scooters, we have no place to store our belongings. Now we have a little mini trunk, and it's double zippered on both sides. You can access it for either side of the scooter you are on. This is the heavy duty frame right here. First thing we're gonna do is build our frame and our seat. It's gonna go in this direction as shown, and we're gonna have a bag of hardware right here. This even comes with the tools. So we have everything we need right out the box to install this. Open up our bag. We're going to be using screws. They're gonna go into here, and then you're gonna have these nuts that are gonna lock it into place on the inside. Now you're gonna put it where you want it. You can put it forward, you can put it back. I'm an adult, so I'm gonna put it right in the middle of the kickstand, right about here. So this is how it's gonna go on. We're gonna line it up as shown. We're gonna take one of our bolts. Now we're gonna be using these, but we could use these if you wanted to. It's gonna go through the hole, and we're gonna have this nut right here, and it's gonna lock into place, and we're gonna repeat the process all around. So we're gonna put our bolt in. We're gonna have this nut right behind it. Line it up and tighten it. Now we're only gonna make this hand tight for right now, so we know we're even on all sides. We're gonna crisscross pattern. Same thing, we're gonna put in our bolt, grab our nut, lock it from behind, and we're gonna give her a tighten. Now they give you different holes depending on your scooter, because this is a universal fit. So we're using the bottom holes. Our other bolts, slip it right there, follow through with our last nut, and then we'll give her a tighten. Now we just successfully mounted the bracket, make sure we're straight, and then we're gonna tighten her all up all the way around. And now we just successfully mounted the frame to the scooter. We can work on our seat. See, it's gonna be very easy. We're just gonna take that wrapping off. We're gonna line up our 3 holes to our seat. Now this is a nice comfortable seat right here, as you can see. Gel-like, definitely should take a lot of that shock out of this scooter and definitely give us a nice comfortable ride. And we're just gonna take our 3 nuts and we're gonna tighten up the bottom. Just grab one of our nuts, put it right on here, give it a few threads, and then grab the back too. A little on the tight side, but it is doable. We're tighten. And we just successfully put our seat on. Last but not least, we can put our trunk on. Our trunk, we have 4 holes. 2 are in the back, 2 are on the top. It's gonna line up to the bracket up here, and the other 2 is gonna line up right here. Cannot confuse this, it can only go one direction. The 2 black long ones are gonna be for the back, and the 2 silver bolts are gonna be for the top. Now, I like to pre-start our bolts right off the bat on the top. This so it makes life a little bit easier. And then we'll unscrew our bag so we can access our holes. So this is a double-sided bag as well, which is definitely nice, and it has 2 zippers on each side. Line up our holes, and this is gonna take washers on the inside. So we're gonna put our bowl holes through, line them up, grab one of our flat washers, slip it right on through, and then follow through with a nut, and repeat the process. With the black bolts, we're gonna slip right on through the frame, into the holes of the bag. We're gonna grab our flat washers, and then we're gonna grab our nuts. We're just gonna tighten our nuts by hand, and then we'll come through with a wrench and tighten everything up for good. There we have it. We just successfully mounted our nice seat to our scooter. We don't need to stand up anymore. We can sit down in comfort and enjoy our ride. If you guys want, like I said, the Universal, and I got a link to it in the video. They're currently on a great sale and people are grabbing them quick. So if that link's there, click it for the right out of stock and get yourself one. Also appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and follow for more great deals.